Hello and welcome to another Brick Digest. Today we're going to be talking about these. These are Mixels. This is Mixels Series 7. They're for ages 6 and above. This is set 41554 and there are 9 in Series 7, which means that they go all the way up to 41562. Each of these retails for about £3 and has around 60 to 70 pieces in each set, which means on a per piece basis they come in at less than 5p per piece, which means you know you're getting a good deal. Out of the 9 sets, they are split into 3 groups. In this case, there are 3 which are police, there are 3 which are medieval England, and there are 3 which are musical based. So in this set we have cuffs, we have busto, and we have tickets. And on the medieval side we have paladin, it's some sort of horse, we have Camelot, and we have Mixel. And on the musical side we have Jamsy, Tapsy, and Trumpsy. So each of these can be built individually, and Noah has been able to do one of these himself, and he has only 4, which means that the 6+ age range in this case is generous. But as well as being able to build them individually, if you do have 3 in a set, they can also be built all together as one giant model, which means for the complete 9 you can have 3 larger models, or you can have 9 singular models, and it's the larger models that I'm going to build today. So let's go, let's get building. And we are done. Here we have the 3 completed models. We have MCPD, Max. We have Mixies, Max. And we have Medival, Max. So as you can see, these are pretty nice models. We have some form of police jail kind of combination. We have some sort of musical combination here, and a very nice yellow and purple, which I think works very well together. And then finally we have some sort of flying horse medieval creature. All in all, I think very good value. I think at £3 for each set. The fact that they are very nice models in themselves and that they can be built into these larger PCs is very good. I think for kids it would be a very straightforward build. I don't think a 6-year-old is going to have much difficulty putting these together. Nothing was too fiddly and the instructions were all fairly clear. I was disappointed to find that all of the PCs from each set don't actually go into the finished model. This is my first time actually putting Mixels like this together, so that was a bit of a surprise. I really did expect that by the end of building one of these, then it would use all of the PCs from the 3 models that went into it, but rather we are left with a decent amount of PCs. Here's the PCs left from, I think from Mixies, Max, and that's a decent amount of PCs to have left, and so I've got 3 bags of these now. And if you were a kid, then you're probably going to lose these PCs and then never be able to build the 3 individual models ever again. So it would have been nice to see them designed so that it really did take advantage of every piece. And I know that would be a more difficult design, but that's why those people work for Lego and I don't. But all in all, I think these were pretty good. Each one took about 20 minutes to build, and hopefully you got to see how that process in the time lapse. I am experimenting with the time lapses to try and make them better. So hopefully in this one I did a much better job of actually showing the build process rather than it going so fast you can't actually see it. But that's all from me for now. If you have any questions, then please just put them in the comments below and I will try and answer them. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Please do leave a thumbs up as well. It all helps get the word out there. And if you want to see more videos or just want to learn more about what we do, then just head over to brickdigest.com, where we hope to bring you at least one daily piece of Lego news a day. Until then, thank you very much.